Hi everyone, this is Ayman Abraham. This is week 9 update with Rohit. So how's it going so far?
It's going good again.
Okay,
Yeah, I had a
so,
good week again.
Last time we were talking about setting a goal for week 10 and we decided to go with 146,
Yes.
right? And how much do you weigh today?
Today I'm 146.
So you already
Yeah.
hit your week 10 goal by week 10, by week 9, sorry, right?
Yeah.
So that's really good, and we were talking about changing the goal in the future for maybe next month or
Oh, yeah.
right. So what's your new goal?
For August, my goal would be 143 pounds because I haven't been that weight since 2011. So 11 years ago
11 years
was the
ago.
last time I was at that weight, and I've struggled ever since then.
That's good. So did you find it challenging to you almost how much total weight did you lose so far? Almost 20, 19?
So far,
Yeah.
20,
20 pounds?
21 pounds, yeah.
20 pounds in 9 weeks.
Yeah, I
Right.
guess so, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Did you find it challenging to lose this amount of weight in 9 weeks? Or?
You know what?
Yeah.
I've been more challenged trying to lose that weight before, and I never could achieve that
Yeah.
much weight ever in these last 11 years. So, to be honest, this is probably the easiest attempt that I've done, and I've actually succeeded. This has been, it's just like a key.
Yeah.
It's like a key, and I found the key. Well,
That's
you
good.
helped me find the key. So thanks. It's working.
Very
This
good.
works.
Very good.
Yeah.
So next week it will be 10 weeks since starting the journey.
Yeah.
So I have no concern at all that next week still doing good.
Maybe I'll meet my August goal. I don't know. We'll
I don't
see.
think so.
It's working good.
Yeah. So, but do you find it very stressful that you have constantly have to focus on losing weight and concern about how much weight you should be next week, or it did happen naturally?
No, not really. I'm feeling so much better.
Yeah.
Physically, actually, I'm feeling better. I'm exercising like I used to 11
Yeah.
years ago.
Yeah.
I'm exercising because I love it.
Yes.
But I feel the energy for it now,
Very
which I
good.
didn't when I started.
Very
I
good.
did not have the
Very
energy.
good. So for the coming 10 weeks or 11 weeks, I think your new, whatever you call it, your new lifestyle or new diet or whatever you call it, it should be easy, right?
I think so, because I just feel so good. I just healthy. I feel
Yeah. So
Wonderful.
your like your future goal will be just maintaining your weight
Yep.
and maintaining your
this lifestyle.
This yes,
Yeah,
what
it
we're
works
there, right?
for me.
You are no longer like focusing on losing weight anymore, just maintaining the healthy lifestyle,
Yeah.
what we live,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
Very good.
absolutely.
So thank you so much, and I look forward to have a follow-up interview with you next.